Everyone, we're here at Bushfire Readiness Kit's headquarters today. What we're going to do is going to have a look at the Bushfire Readiness Kit's wool blanket that we sell. Now the fire's been going for about 20 minutes or so it's got some embers going. It's not really hot, but we're not designing these blankets for you to go and jump into a bushfire or into a fire. We just want to show you what they're capable of. Okay, so we've got some scald marks on it, so it's not impenetrable. It's definitely going to give you some added protection when you and your family come face to face with a bushfire. Okay, alright, signing off now. You guys stay safe this summer. We want to help you help yourself.